Alright, we'll be quick about this one. I've actually got to get on the road. Our roll test vehicles lined up, all of my straight up pickup trucks, a couple of concept conversions, and our Hot Trucks 5-pack by Hot Wheels 2018 release. This is one of the first things I bought when I started collecting again last fall, and I want my Sandblaster. So I'm on a kick. I'm opening my 5-packs. Let's get a case code up there. Let's just scan all the vital statistical data, including the vehicle names, which Hot Wheels has always done a good job in identifying. I like lime green cars, I like white cars, I like Volkswagens, and I'm a sucker for the F-150 Raptor and June Amai, my favorite of the Hot Wheels designers, adapted the Raptor to come up with the Sandblaster. And as always, I'm trying to preserve the packaging for use in an art project that this video relates to as well, about toys. I'm going to make a parody line of vehicles, and you need parody packaging to go with them. And I got this at a drugstore. I think it was $8.99. Probably one of the reasons why I've been hesitant to open it. Let's go straight to Sandblaster. And again, this is an adapted, I believe it's an adapted F-150 Raptor form. There we go. Our stampage, and then at least I know on the white version I have, you can lift that part out, but I don't think you can on that. Here's my white example, branded for Ford. And the back cage does lift off. No, that's all part of the casting. Interesting. And I don't, and this was not a mainline release either. There's the packaging for the white one. I'm not sure if it's a Walmart exclusive. That's where I claimed it. But its back lifts out. This one is part of the casting, and that is interesting. So let's give them the roll test. Even money, as it should be. This one's even. Now, as this is part of the casting in steel, I'd expect that it does have a little bit more mass than the white one. And sure enough, it's performing a bit better. Let's try it against Hot Wheels straight up. Which one is this? Is this a 2017 Raptor in black? Yeah, and again, it's got far more mass. I've been wondering if they're actually in the same scale. And the exaggerated size of the wheels and some of the accoutrements fixed onto the hull, I think, are making it seem a little bit bigger in my eyes. We're going to give it one more try against the Matchbox F-150 Raptor, branded for golf. As we'd expect. Oh, why not? Here's the, what's it called? One of the dollar store Overtake. Here's against the Overtake F-150. And I mean, this is just mean. You know, this is like making the Yankees play the Indians or something like that. Oh, poor little thing. Like playing against a minor league team. That's what I should say. So, I got my funky Sandblaster. On we go. This vehicle is a 67 Chevy C10. As usual, I'll clean up the editing flow later. Yeah, it's okay. I was born in 1967 too, so that, you know, I'm sitting there trying to justify reasons to open it, and it's like, well, I was born in 1967. Yeah, right. No, the reason to open it is that I didn't have, well, not that I don't have enough, but I wanted more trucks. More loose trucks. Let's roll it against a Matchbox Toxic Waste Crew truck that looks to be about the same mass. Holds its own. It's definitely got a wider rear to it. Interesting. One more. Let's roll it against the Mopar truck. Gorgeous little thing. Well, once they got going, it looked like they were at about the same speed. And we'll continue on with this thing, which the box identifies as a custom 56 Ford truck. I like the Jiffy Lube logo branding. That's kind of nice. I like the yellow wheels. Let's see here. Here's our stampage. All right, kind of nice. Let's try it against the red truck. And I actually got out, I think this is a Jeep, some sort of Jeep variant by Matchbox, but I got it out specifically to test against this one because they're both old models and they're both blue. Hey, Baron Samedi used to say that his gold Acura went faster than... What kind of car did Baron Samedi drive? I can't recall. He said it was shinier. That's why it went faster. I love lime green cars, and so this was a bone ass part of the pack. 2000 Chevy Silverado is the casting name. There we go. Nice truck. Big, growling, coal-burning truck. Looks like it gets about 8 miles to the gallon in the city and the same on the highway. Which one's this? I can't remember what this is. Honda Ridgeline by Matchbox. Green one's bigger, so it's got more metal in it. And it clocks. It's also looking wider. It's another wide truck. Let's go up against Dogzilla, one of the concept pickups that was in the Jungle Rally box set. Oh, look at that. One more try. Alright, so Dogzilla has the upper edge on that contest. And go to the last. We were a Volkswagen family, and this is identified as a 1982 VW Caddy pickup, which is a mouthful. There we go. Some stampage. Handsome little craft. I like the orange and the white juxtaposed against the chrome on the seats. I vaguely remember Volkswagen pickups from the 80s and not being impressed. We had a van. We've had a series of Volkswagen vans, actually. And a square back in the very early 70s that just rusted to death. Yeah, that's not bad. I'm going to roll this one against off-duty in the emergency services color scheme, or one of them. Volkswagen's doing good. Which one hasn't had a roller yet? Oh, the one with the boat. It actually doesn't really count, but because it's got a boat. But let's try it one more time. Yeah, we have fun. This is just a fun project. Here's another off-duty there in orange to match the orange on the VW. Looking good. Glad I opened it. More trucks. So that's an awesome set. I'm pleased. Go out and buy it if you like trucks. Not much of an after action report this time. Just another quick look at them up here on my ogle shelf. Nah, that's okay. That's a lot better. That's just kind of weird. Nice lime green. I love lime green cars. And that's my favorite of the set, which I hadn't even really been looking at. I'd been staring at the Sandblaster all the time. There we go. Look down from the top. What do they got back there? Skateboard, I think. Look at this side. And again, we were a Volkswagen family, so I'm working on my Volkswagens while we're also working on the green trucks and the F-150 variants. And I got a jet.
Ash, can you see this?